Hello guys, welcome to all again. Did you know in the BOQ of drainage system why we have to take the pipe measurement separately as vertical and horizontal wise? So in this session I am going to explain some very important information regarding this. You can see here under the drainage system the pipe works supply and insulation of horizontal PVC. The very important terminology is horizontal. PVC drainage pipes including necessary fittings and accessories, hangers and supports complete all accordance with the drawings and specification. Right. The another paragraph is you can see under the drainage system the pipe works supply and insulation of vertical PVC drainage pipe. So important terminology is the vertical including necessary fittings and accessories, hangers and supports complete all in accordance with the drawings and specification. Alright, so if compare with these two paragraphs, the only one word is differ. The left side you can see the horizontal PVC, the right side you can see the vertical PVC. So you should be remember always during your drainage pipe quantity takeoff must be separately as vertical and horizontal wise. In this point you can ask one question, why we have to calculate these pipes separately? Yes, we have the proper answer for this question. Before discuss this answer, I will show this vertical and horizontal pipe through this 3D model. You can see this is one of the sample drainage system 3D model. The previous sessions that we published in the LinkedIn the previous days, so we discussed many things through this 3D model. Now we are discussing the vertical and horizontal. Alright guys, before continue this session, we recently launched a new course. Yes, that is MEP Quantity Surveying Practice. In this course includes various 15 MEP system. You can see in this screen HVAC system, lighting system, small power CCTV, firefighting, drainage system, fire alarm, chilled water supply, data and communication, electrical cable, electrical distribution, conveying system, plumbing system, access control system, public address system. So these are the main MEP systems that we use in this course. Then each and every system we discussed many important things such as detailed technical analysis. So in this point you can learn a lot of MEP real-time construction technology. The second point is MEP systems drawing analysis. The third point, drawing legends analyze. Fourth one, quantity takeoff. Fifth one, measurement sheet preparation. Finally, the BOQ production. If you are interested for this course, just visit our official website managingqs.com and explore more. You can see here these are the vertical drainage pipe. Okay, these are the vertical drainage pipe, and the horizontal drainage pipe. You can see these are the horizontal drainage pipe. So we have to calculate these pipe separately based on diameter wise. You can see there are various diameters here, so we have to calculate diameter wise. You can see here in this BOQ the horizontal pipe they calculate diameter wise. 40 diameter, total quantity is 20, and 50 diameter, 75 diameter. Same like this you can see the vertical PVC pipe, this one also calculated based on the diameter wise. Alright, so let's back to the question. Why do we need to calculate the pipe work separately? So the pipe mean we already discussed the vertical and horizontal pipe. So you can see here in this picture, this one is the horizontal pipe laying for the drainage system. This one is the vertical pipe laying for the drainage system. The material is same. The material mean we already discussed the PVC pipe. That is the material for the horizontal and vertical. But the problem is the installation method. So the installation mean you can see here for the horizontal pipe installation we use some different type of frames and also some fittings, fixtures. So these are the hangers, but the vertical pipe installation method is totally different. So that's why we have to calculate these two pipes, the vertical and horizontal pipes separately, because in the rate analysis you can see here the horizontal and vertical system we use 40 diameter PVC pipe. So the material and diameter all are the same, but in the rate analysis we take two different rate analysis, the horizontal pipe 40 diameter rate analysis and the vertical pipe 40 diameter rate analysis. In this scenario the material cost is the 40 diameter PVC pipe, the material cost is same for horizontal and vertical. We just assume 20 Saudi Arabian Riyal. So this is not the actual price, so this is just for the assumption price for our educational purpose. And also you can see another part is installation cost. In this part is totally different in the horizontal and vertical pipe. So under this installation cost there's three important activities involved. The first one is the installation support materials. Installation support material mean you can see here the installation supports the frames, the hangers, any other fixtures. So these are the installation support material. In this horizontal pipe, so we can assume for installation support material price is 10 Saudi Arabian Riyal, but we cannot put the same amount 10 Riyal for vertical pipe installation and support material cost, because it is totally different installation method for the vertical. So that's why it is totally different. We assume here 10 Riyal. So in this vertical installation support material cost is we assume as a 12 Riyal. Right. The another thing is labor cost for the horizontal pipe installation. We assume as a 8 Riyal. In the vertical pipe we assume as a 10 Riyal. So totally different. And equipment and machinery cost. So we use some various equipments and machinery to fix the pipes in the horizontal. So we assume the 5 Riyal for linear meter. The vertical pipes we assume as a 7 Riyal for linear meter. So the rate is the 40 diameter PVC pipe 1 meter rate is we can say 43 Riyal for the horizontal pipe. The vertical pipe we can say as a 49 Riyal. So that's why its rate is totally different. So now we have the answer for this question. Why do we need to calculate the pipe separately? So the answer is the rate is totally different.